We'll start by exporting from the gradebook, so we have a file in the right format. Click Actions. Click Export. Click Save As. Click to open the file. On the top menu, click File. Click Save As. Give it a new name. This is not essential, but I think it may be useful to have the two files. I called it Upload instead of Downloaded. We see in column G there are 12 and 10, and we'll reduce these. In column H they are all 1 and we'll alter some to 0. Okay, here's the new scores for those two columns. The change is we have only single-digit scores in G and some zeros in H. Now let's save the file. Click Actions. Click Import. Click on Choose File. Click the CSV file to upload, upload.csv. Click Upload Data. If we overwrite grades, it shows what we changed from, and to, in red. Whereas if we simply enter a grade where there was none before, it's not in red, like in the final column. Click Save Changes. Click OK. There's our changes. But these may not show immediately. If not, just pause for a minute or two, then reload the page. That's it. We're done.